GH from the Ohio Weatherization Training Center. I want to talk a little bit about drills, various types that are out there, some of their features, using a piece of equipment safely, and some things to look out for as far as the equipment. First of all, I want to talk about what's become probably one of the most used types of drills out there now, the portable battery-powered drill. This is obviously very versatile because you're not connected by a cord anywhere. You can go anywhere and do anything with this drill. All these are powered by a removable battery. Anyway, this is a 20 volt, and now if anybody remembers these drills from years ago, they've come a long way since then. Much more powerful, batteries last longer, can do a lot more. This particular one, similar to many, has a key-free chuck where you can just grip this area here and the chuck will open up or close, tighten it up that way. This drill also has kind of a clutch feature so that you can control how much torque you want to have for a particular job. You don't always want to have the thing going full blast and crank something down too far. Some things you want just to tighten down to a certain amount. And then if you're putting screws into hardwood, something like that, then you want a little more to it. These are pretty versatile. You can select them all. This has got 15 different settings on there as far as torque goes. It's actually got a little light that comes on when to help you see things here. Now this drill, as I say, it's very versatile, does a lot for you, but it's not going to do the really great big jobs. See that the chuck on this drill is bigger than the one here. This will accommodate bigger size and do a lot more. This is a corded drill and puts out a lot of power, and that's why as safety features it has handles on it so that you can have better control of this drill. This drill is going to be going with torque and a lot of power so that if you run into, say, a knot in wood or you hit a nail or a screw, this thing could jerk you around. If you're not holding on with both hands, you could risk injury or even being knocked off a ladder. This has happened to me. This drill also has a key, what they call for the chuck, because you can tighten it up a little more than this hand tightener, and that's what you want for a type of drill that's going to have this type of power. So this is a lot more versatile, and it's for the bigger jobs, it's a lot safer because it has a lot more ways to grip. It's even got, you can lean in a little bit with your shoulder if you'd like to. This one, similar, but it's a little more portable, you might say. Also, corded drill. And again, it has this handle on here. And this one, you can become ambidextrous, or if you're right or left-handed, you can actually loosen this and turn it around. So if you are left-handed, you can have the handle to hold in your right hand. So there's corded drills. One of the things I want to look at is the condition of the cord itself. All the way from the drill here, I don't want to see this flex area being pulled loose. I don't want to see any deterioration, cracking, cutting, or anything of that nature on these cords. We don't want to see cords repaired with electrical tape. Once there's a break in this outer covering of insulation, the cord should be replaced, the drill should be taken out of service until that's replaced, because while this is not intact, we have the danger of electrical shock, something like that. Now at all times when you're using a drill, you want to be using eye protection. You can't go to your neighborhood big box store and buy a new eye. I don't have that. People may complain, oh, the goggles fog up while I'm working, but the alternative is a lot worse than wearing the goggles. These batteries come on the battery type drill here. They say rechargeable. They do have a life limit of some time. At some point you're going to find out that you put them on the charger, they'll charge, but they won't hold the charge very long. At that time, this gets recycled and you get a new battery. But these newer batteries are, in my experience, they last quite a while and hold up a lot better than the original ones. So, happy drilling.